So today I'm going to show you how to redeem your SoFi reward points directly on your SoFi app. Now we're going to have this up here in real time so you can follow along step by step. I'm going to take myself off screen so we just have this going on in real time. So I'm going to go ahead and load up the app. Now we are on an iOS device, so keep in mind your Android option might look a little bit different than ours, but for the most part should follow the same step-by-step process. Now we actually just recently went through and applied for a credit card. If you want to check out that video, link will be in the show notes down below. So that gained us an additional 5,000 points on our SoFi account, which is beautiful. I want to be able to use this money for other things. So what we want to do is go ahead and see right up here where we have that little diamond, it shows 5,000. Now, if you have no points, it'll say 0 points on here. But what we could do is still tap on here regardless of how many points we have. And we can see this section right over here shows us how many points we currently have, how many we gained this week, as well as the redemption value of that amount, as well as our lifetime points as well. We got quite a few points here over time. There's also additional ways you can earn down here at the bottom if you want to learn more, but now you can see right over here where it says redeem. There is also an auto redeem where after you hit a certain number of points, you can have it just redeem either directly onto your credit card balance, you can have it deposited into your invest, or even into your other options like your banking or checking account as well, or savings account as well. So we're gonna go ahead and click on redeem right over here. And this is, again, where we just talked about the different ways you can do this. So you can have it apply to your credit card, the bank, whether it's the savings or checking or the active investing, as well as if you have any loans as well too, you can have that go towards your loan. Beautiful thing. I absolutely love this. So what we're going to want to do for our example here, we're just going to go ahead and put it in towards our actual checking account. So we went ahead and toggled the option we wanted to use. We're going to tap on next at the bottom here. Now it's going to ask us how many points do we want to go ahead and utilize. We want to go all in with all 5,000 points. Then we're going to click on next. And then it's just going to have us review here really quick what the current value is, the point amount, and then where it's going. If everything looks good, we're going to click on confirm. And now it says your points have been redeemed. We can hit done. And that happens in pretty much real time. That $50 now is going to show up in our checking account because that is where we ended up putting it, which is a beautiful thing for us to be able to start using that money right away, however we want. Now, there is more you can keep on learning when it comes to utilizing SoFi. So I actually put together a full guide when it comes to using SoFi as a bank account. Check out that video right over here on screen to keep on learning how to manage your finances.